What's up, Freshies?
We are, that's what's up.
I'm here with Aesili from folk community now known as Songstress, aka Solar, aka blows that trumpet like you wouldn't believe, guy.
And happy as to be hosting Fish for you today with none other than that fine soul singing thing, Miss Tyra Hammond from Open Souls, aka Tyra and the Tornadoes.
And coming up on the show today.
Please, Auntie Tala, connect with my lost cat.
Is your cat's name Afro?
No.
No!
It is something an idle guy should know how to do, because in Samoan it's called whiaus, chores.
We're not watching what they're doing, we're just watching them.
But coming up first, we're going to show you around this here festival, the Phoenix Fest.
Welcome to it. Fresh, Central Auckland, Kingsland. Let's get down.
Round and around.
Loving this day. What was the prediction? Rain, please.
Like the side of him that you feel was on vacation, wasting no time. He was chasing life. Never ever thought of break the ship was facing daylight. His green tight.
Blue skies, brother. We're here today, man, taking it all in, you know, summer days, loving it.
It's good to see a few brothers out here. Thought I was the only one.
So what do you do? Except for what you had got to. And now I don't think you can find a good enough.
I think every city has a cultural obligation, and I think when you hear politicians saying no, that's not the role of council, I think they're wrong. The people need to be entertained and they need to be given opportunities like this to mix and mingle and experience cultures and foods and just enjoy their city, enjoy their parks.
We're from community.
You know you're fresh when you're wearing jandals.
I think back in the day it would have been a terminology for, you know, people fresh off the boat. I think nowadays a lot of people maybe second or third generation, but they still choose to dress that way and talk that way. So it's a character thing, I reckon.
Well, fresh to me means somebody that's original, somebody that's new.
Something unique, something with a new flavour.
I reckon if their hair's a little bit wet, you know, fresh out of the shower. Nice and clean.
It's like poetry emotion, vast expanses across Pacific Ocean. I could not cope, and I'm still too broken. Spitting words have just been broken. To please remain open. In the shadows, whisper words remain unspoken. But as we drink to quench a thirst for devotion.
If I can spot someone that looks fresh, the first thing I'll be looking at is their kicks and their smile.
When you see them, you know them. You just know that. It's in the eyes. You see it and you feel it in your soul.
So that's how it's going on down here at the Phoenix Festival. We're going to go and check out this guy, check out his fortune with Auntie Tala.
Good luck, bro.
Is my husband cheating on me?
Will I marry my future wife in the next 2 years?
Will I win the lotto this weekend?
Hi, I'm Fortune Tala.
Sleep is the cousin of death, then pollution is the ones that be stealing your breath. We must open up our...
Hi, well, I'm so happy to see you here. So happy you came in. When they said you're coming in today, I thought, wow, awesome. Anyway, I really believe you are here to ask me a specific question about sports.
I would like to know, please, Auntie Tala, will I still be able to dunk at the age of 50?
When you're 50? Okay, maybe you can still dunk a donut by 50. I don't know about basketball, but what I can do is I can use my crystal ball.
And I'd like to find out if we could connect. Please, Auntie Tala, connect with my lost cat.
Is your cat's name Afro?
No.
No, wait. Sorry, there's people in the way at the moment. So... Okay, is your cat's name Pussycat?
We did call it Pussycat.
Yes.
But that wasn't the name, no.
Okay. What was your cat's name?
Ginger.
Ginger. Yeah, it's Chinese cat. It's a Chinese cat, Ginger. Okay, I think I know what happens to Ginger. Did you ever enjoy the sweet and sour pork from the Chinese takeaway next door to your house?
I did.
Yeah. And was the sauce the same color as ginger?
It was ginger. It was the color ginger too.
Yeah, I think ginger ended up in your stomach. Must be like a couscous, but it's a couscous. Yeah. Anyway, let me reconnect you with what's it? Your postcard. Ginger with capital G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Meow. Meow. Hello, King Kapisi.
Ginger. Ginger.
Is
that you?
Loud, I can't hear.
Ginger, is that you?
Oh, not too loud. My ears are quite sensitive. Oh, yes, it's me. What do you want to ask me? I'm already dead. Why are you bothering me?
I'd like to ask you, was I a good owner? And are you happy where you are, Ginger?
Was you a good owner? You was very care to me. You very look after me. You let me have fleas off, but you still take care of me. Even after I got run over, you just put me under the house and thought I was dead, but I came back because I had 7 lives left. Yes, you a good owner.
Okay.
Yeah, do you have another question? You want to ask?
After the break, you lucky freshies get to come and check out my studio, which is also part of my world.
And Pani challenged the boys with some bananas.
Make sure you come back for that one, for real. Welcome back to Fresh. I'm Tyra Hammond, and I could show you guys a little slice of my world down here. But come on in. So here's the stairs. I really love to just start singing in here, doing my warm-ups. Like,
I know you got to leave at times, but I just can't let you go.
this is the main recording studio. I love this place. I went to high school and I didn't really do too well in the sports academy, so then I joined music. And I remember the music teacher, she was a pretty powerful music teacher. She made me sing one song and I remember her stopping and like looking at me and going, if you do not go to jazz school, you'll be wasting that voice. And I thought, oh my God, wow, cool. Finally someone was, you know, telling me I was good at something.
Do we gotta say it again? Ain't nothing gonna change. What we got is locked down. We run the game and that's right. People wanna get on down and get down. People wanna let loose and let loose. Cause, yeah, you know that the beat is sick. You know you wanna get down with it. I eliminated.
There was a talent quest happening at Riccarton Mall, and it was for the school holidays, and all my friends were like, you should go enter it, it's a $1,000 shopping spree, if you win it, we all win it. And I'm like, hell yes, let's go to McDonald's, we'll go to Glassons. Like, yeah, cool. Yeah, that year I was up against Hayley Westerner, so never stood a chance. That talent quest was actually pretty awesome because my cousin lady came to watch me and she had already been doing heaps of shows with her crew, Sheila Rock. And next thing you know, I'm like 15, coming to Auckland to do the hip hop summit, and we released our single, If I Gave You the Mic, and it was pretty crazy.
Now if I gave you the mic, would you lend me your hand-laid fat beats? Down from New Zealand to Japan, I like it beats at the point. Hip-hop is understand, if you know what I mean, then you know who I am. And if I gave you the mic, would you lend me your hand-laid fat beats? Down from New Zealand to Japan, I like it beats to the point. Hip-hop is understand, if you know what I mean, then you know who I am.
The cool thing about that was that my music teacher, Mrs. Carter, she came up for that week and she filmed all of my performances and then sent them in for school cert. And that's how I passed school cert, because I didn't know the scales or anything like that. So, thanks, Miss Carter. I grew up in Christchurch, in Aranui. My mum is full Samoan and my dad is European. My family, yeah, they're all musical. I'm not even like the musical one. My older cousins, Scribe and Lady, but also I've got a few other cousins that are just natural actors. But really, you just come over to our house and we'll all perform for you. Everyone's a performer in my family.
I wanna wrap my arms around you tight. I wanna hold you close. I wanna spend the night the way connects to you. I wanna hold you close.
I joined Open Souls in 2005 and Open Souls finished in 2011. Looking back now, I don't realise at the time that I think I was a bit sad and depressed because, yeah, all of a sudden that had been my life and it was all I knew, and so it was really scary. And to be honest, I didn't have that drive to keep going and keep doing music, and it wasn't until Jeremy rang me up one day and was like, "What are you doing?" He was like, "Just come and hang out." And so that's what I did, and then it's amazing because that's how this whole EP evolved.
Young man, he's no good for you. Such a shame for me to see. Been doing you wrong for far too long, yet somehow you still believe he will change.
This guy, I have no shame when I'm with him. I just go for gold, and really, at the end of the day, we're not trying to make a hit or anything. We're just having fun and both making music.
Making music that works.
Oh, stop messing, baby. Stop messing around on me.
It's real scary, but also I'm just really excited because I've had for the last 3 years people going, "Oh, Open Soul's broken up. What are you doing now? Are you making music? How's the music going?" That's my favourite question. How's it going? Like, it's going great.
You threw it out to the world, I'm crazy. My girl, she's too insecure. But you're out every weekend, riding solo, trying to pretend you're not with me. Meanwhile, I'm home alone, crying tears in my pillow.
You know, had a little bit of success in the charts and had all these people all of a sudden like around me telling me all the things that you want to hear, but somehow along that way I got lost. So that's why I'm really happy to be back where I am and to not be secure in the person I am now in order to give all of myself on my EP. Does that make sense?
Now I know Tyra's been looking forward to what's coming up after the break.
Really? Why?
It's Mr Lavalava.
Oi, no, I'm not, but I am.
Oh, so you're the dessert?
Yeah,
okay, this is another show.
Chocolate right here.
Oh, okay.
Did you like chocolate or scallion?
Welcome back, Freshies. It's time to see who's got game on Mr Lavalava.
Like no other.
The Open Souls have reformed.
He'd been all over the Pacific searching for the ultimate island guy, our Mr Lavalava. We found our Cook Island and Samoa winners, and now we're in New Zealand. Choo-hoo!
We have selected 6 warriors to put to the test to see if they have what it takes to be Mr Lavalava.
Okay, now it's time for us to lay every single one of them.
Absolutely.
My name is Patrick Towsey. Seen the series on TV. It tests you mentally and physically, but you know I'm ready for this and I stand up.
My name is Lois. Tonga guys are the sexiest Pacific Islander you will ever come across. They have the eyelash, big lips, the abs, those 2 guns, and the smile.
Alale, my name is Tala, female. My mom doesn't know I've entered the competition. When my mom sees me on this, I think she's going to give me a hiding.
My name is Corinthian Aesili. So I'm currently working at New Zealand Fire Doors as a sales manager, making doors. So ladies, please come knocking on my door. I want you there.
My name's Charlton Brown. I think I'm going to win Mr Lavalava because I've got all of this, all the way from Tonga. So ladies, I know you want this horse. Get it up.
Kia ora, my name is Carlos. To win this competition, you're going to need more than abs, more than just great looks.
You're going to need intelligence, initiative, and you're also going to need a great big heart. And that's what I've got.
You've all received a lei. Have a look at it, embrace it. You want to keep that. If you win a challenge, you will receive a second lei and immunity. If you lose a challenge, you will be delayed and you will have to go home with us. So everybody wins. So the aim of the game is to win every single challenge you face, because we really want to see whether New Zealand has what it takes.
That's right.
To have crowned Mr. Lavalava. So your first challenge, guys, you will be split into groups of 2. You will receive 20 minutes to set up some shelter, something that is quite romantic, fits for an island princess like ourselves. On your marks, get set, get ready. Go!
Just looking to my left, looking to my right, everyone was busy, everyone was bang on.
I mean, from the get-go, me and Pat had it all sorted, so we took as much as we could as possible, so the other teams were left with very little.
Oh, in my head I was thinking, come on, let's do it. Carlos, Tawa's team, yeah, they were leading. I've never put up a gazebo in my life. Yeah, it is something an island guy should know how to do, because in Samoan it's called elves. Chores.
Yeah, on your knee.
All 3 groups have opted to make gazebos. It's a very Kiwi thing here. You know, back in the islands, they would make really beautiful fales. But here, the good old Kiwi thing is a few poles and a piece of tarpaulin, and Bob's your uncle or your auntie, depending on what Bob is wearing.
Okay, they are well ahead of the other 2 teams. So right now, these guys here are in the lead.
They've got very different formations with their gazebos. Yeah, this middle one here is great. It's a bit of a shocker because of the weather. There's a gazebo that's getting to be a gazebo, and that's... I hope they took our heights into consideration.
All right, 1 more minute, guys.
These guys have basically made what looks like to be something fit for the America's Cup. They've made a sail. I mean, let's admit it. We're not watching what they're doing. We're just watching them. The middle one, I feel like I'm about to crawl into the Hobbitville.
Looking at Carlos' gazebo, I was looking over and I was like, oh, they haven't even started their legs yet. Oh, they're way behind. And then boom, they made a Aladdin palace.
All right, 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1.
Step away.
That's right. So this is very interesting. Would you like to walk us through your creation?
This is our grand design. We put it a little lower for you guys so you can get the shade. I mean, you're not going to get shade with the higher ones there. And basically, yeah, that's it.
I didn't think I was going to like it, but I do.
Malolele, honey and bunny.
Hello.
Welcome to Chocolate Island. With the food, as you can see, we baked for you guys. We baked some coconut, it's called coconut muffin. And with the banana and the grapes and the watermelon, we're gonna use it to massage you guys, give you a good massage. To make you guys feel like, yeah, and when you need dessert, just whistle. All right, here you go.
Oh, so you're the dessert?
Yeah,
okay, this is another
chocolate right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, did you like chocolate or stallion?
Before you guys walk in,
yes,
you guys have seen the turtle house,
You've seen the giraffe house, and now
welcome to the palace.
Oh, okay, very nice. Okay, so
there for you guys, muffins all the way from Africa.
And our grapes all the way from France. Because we don't just go through the highest mountains. We don't go through the longest lakes. We go all the way for our supermodel.
Wow. And do you think that's secure there, dear? It's not tied down?
Obviously, a good fale has to have a strong foundation. And who's holding this?
The warriors.
2 strong foundations.
Big warriors.
Okay, fantastic. So what happens when the warriors need to go bathroom?
We're gonna call out other warriors in the background.
As you know, there is only one team that could win. And the winner of that competition is Carlos and Patrick. Well done, boys.
There can only be one winner, and this winner we've decided is
Carlos.
Well done. Congratulations. We have a losing team, as you know, and this is based on following the brief. Was it stable? Could it provide shelter? Did it have everything that made us feel like princesses? The losing team are
Charlton
and Corinthian.
As soon as I looked into their eyes, I knew it was going to be us. I could just feel the emotion and the feeling through their eyeballs.
Okay, based on the challenge, who do you think should go home and why?
I think it should have been me because I was leading it. He was asking me for the instructions or the ideas, and I kind of led him to stray.
Like trying to communicate and put that tent up was just so hard in such minimum time. Well, we're both Spartans, so you know, no matter who goes home today, I'll be happy.
Okay, boys, thank you so much for your answer. But sadly, there is someone going home. And going home today is
Charlton.
Done my best, tried my hardest. At the end of the day, I always got Moses back. I'm just glad at least one of us are here. I'll always be there to support him and right to the finish when he wins Mr Lavalava.
Man, ruthless with their banana judging.
Tough competition, but next week it's just gonna get tougher.
Next week on The Search for Mr Lavalava.
a real island warrior is someone who knows how to prepare a yummy meal for their queens.
I've never cooked in my whole entire life.
It's not cooked.
You can't eat that.
But also next week we've got J Bug in the house.
Yeah. Boom, bang!
Yo, what's up, Freshie? Wake up, man. This is your boy J Bug, having these sweet island reggae vibes, kicking off your morning right. Boom, bang! Fresh TV, you see it, in the building.
Thank you for joining us today, Freshies.
We've had the bomb-ass time showing you guys around this here Phoenix Festival. We hope you've enjoyed the show.
Much love, and remember,
Always keep it fresh.